Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions and signing in. Make sure you have the account credentials or admin approval. Open the Teams desktop app or use the browser version at Teams. Microsoft.com, then sign in with the current Teams account. Once signed in, check your profile picture at the top right and click it to reveal account settings. This step is critical because it directs you to the correct profile and linked Microsoft 365 account. If you can't access settings, you likely lack necessary privileges or are signed into a different account. Next, navigate to the Microsoft 365 Account Management or Azure Active Directory for organizational accounts. This is where the primary email alias is changed. You click Manage Account or go to the Admin Center, find the user profile, and edit the primary email or add a new alias. This updates the login used by Teams. Once you save the change, sign out of Teams on every device so the service picks up the new address. You'll need to sign back in with the updated email to complete synchronization. Finally, sign back into Teams using the new email and verify your profile, Teams, and chat history are intact. This confirms the change propagated. Make sure to allow time for directory synchronization. In corporate setups, Azure AD Sync can take minutes to hours, so be patient and recheck. If you encounter missing messages or login errors, clear the Teams cache on your device and sign in again. And if problems persist, contact your IT admin to confirm alias mapping and license assignments. Those are common causes of.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.